Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel and I am Atanu Betal, and in this video right now we discuss about the topic that is the relation between solubility and solubility product. Solubility means the amount of uh, amount of substance that is getting dissolved in a solvent. Okay, soluble, insoluble, sparingly soluble, these are the terms that are used to express the dissolved amount of the substance in a solvent. Here the solubility and solubility products, this term is applicable only for sparingly soluble salts only. These terms are applicable only solubility and solubility products. Here only discuss about the sparingly soluble salts. And for sparingly soluble salts, what are the relationship between the solubility and solubility product is the main topic of discussions right now. So we have to discuss this topic, that what are the relationship between the solubility and solubility products of sparingly soluble salts. Okay, so let's start our discussion with suppose a sparingly soluble salt AX and BY, and it has the solubility of S mole per liter. We are taking a sparingly soluble salt. This is a sparingly soluble salt. This is a sparingly soluble salt AX and BY, and its solubility is S mole per liter. AX BY, whose solubility is S mole per liter, and for these salts we have to find the expression of solubility product. So for these salts we find it the splitting of the salt as AY plus and B X minus Y. So this is the format of splitting the salt AX and BY in the soluble form. It will dissociate as X A Y plus and B Y B X minus. So if the solubility of the salt is S mole per liter, so here the X S mole per liter and the concentration of B is Y S mole per liter. Concentration of B is now Y into S mole per liter. Next, for solubility product, KSP equal to, we know that A Y plus to the power X and B X minus to the power Y. This is the expression for solubility product for this equation AXBY. For this equation, the expression of solubility product is KSP equal to AY plus to the power X and BX minus to the power Y. And right now the amount of AY plus is XS mole per liter, and the amount of Bx minus, it is Ys mole per liter. So therefore we write here Ys to the power y, xs to the power x and ys to the power y. So after all we get it as x to the power x, y to the power y and s to the power x plus y, s to the power x plus y, and this is expressing the relationship between the solubility product and solubility. Here Ksp is the solubility product, it is the solubility product, and S is our solubility. So the solubility of the sparingly soluble salt. So therefore the relation Ksp equal to this one is expressing the relationship between Ksp and the solubility. This relationship can be expressed by these equations, okay, by this equation format, and from this relationship we can get the solubility expression for any salts. For example, if we take example of PbI2, for PbI2 we have to find the solubility product expression. So we can find it easily because here x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Okay, here x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So in this expression 1 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2 and s solubility to the power x plus y. So that means 1 plus 2, that means 2 square means 4 s to the power cube. So this is 4s cube. For lead iodide PbI2, the solubility product expression or relation between the solubility product and solubility is 4s cube, Ksp equal to 4s cube. So this is expressing the solubility product and solubility relation for PbI2. Similarly, we can find the solubility product expression for suppose take other salts like BaSO4. BaSO4 is also sparingly soluble salt, and for this salt we can find the Ksp value, Ksp equation for this salt, and here x equal to 1 and y equal to also 1. Here x equal to 1 and y equal to also 1. So for this type of salts 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1, because x to the power x, y to the power y, it is the formula, and s to the power 1 plus 1, so that means a square. A square is the solubility product expression for the BaSO4. Similarly, for solubility we can write the solubility equal to root over of Ksp, it's not a dot, Ksp only, Ksp. So for the solubility expressions we can make the solubility expression from Ksp equal to s square. For Ksp equal to s square, then s equal to root over of Ksp. So this is the equation for the barium sulfate, the solubility and solubility product expressions. Similarly, we can frame any formula, any solubility product formula from these expressions. This Ksp equal to this, and we can calculate solubility and solubility product of any sparingly soluble salts from this formula. Okay, so that is the topic that I wanted to discuss, and our topic solubility product, what to know about this solubility and solubility product relationship. It is finished, and thank you for watching this video. If you want to find if you want to watch this type of more videos, then subscribe this channel, and if you find this video is useful, then give a like to this video. Thank you.